Brava Spanish Barrel Tile Installation Video Series Part 4 Installation at Penetrations and Chimneys. Chimney and penetration flashing dimensions may vary according to local weather conditions, chimney size and location, slope of the roof, and other factors. Dimensions shown are recommended minimums and are intended to be approximate to allow for reasonable tolerances due to field conditions and area practices. Verify code compliance and regional industry best practices. Self-adhered deck flashing in compliance with ASTM D1970 should be installed around pipe penetrations and rectangular penetrations and turn up a minimum of 4 inches. Pipe penetrations. Install underlayment a minimum of 10 inches past the penetration. Using a minimum 20 inch by 20 inch deck flashing that meets or exceeds ASTM D1970, X-cut the deck flashing to fit over the pipe. Use roofing cement to seal the transitions. Continue underlayment installation, lapping over the deck flashing 4 inches minimum. Install tiles normally until the penetration is reached. Cut a tile to fit over the pipe and install. Install some of the tiles continuing the course next to the penetration. Install a one-piece, malleable flashing sleeve over the pipe. Conform flashing to the profile of the tile. Extend the flashing a minimum of 4 inches in each direction, while ensuring it extends 1 inch past the crown on both sides. Install the field tiles over the flashing sleeve. Subsequent tiles must lap 3 inches over the flashing. Chimneys and rectangular penetrations. Install tiles up to the base of the chimney. Install closures so that they extend 6 inches past the chimney on both sides. Install apron flashing over the closures. Apron flashing should extend 4 inches minimum up the chimney wall and should extend at least 3 inches onto the closure. Return legs should extend up the chimney a minimum of 3 inches. Install flexible or lead transition flashing over the closure and up the side of the chimney, extending up the wall 4 inches above the apron flashing and 6 inches from the chimney. Ensure that flashing extends approximately 4 inches above the finished tile up the side wall. Install pan flashing on the sides of the chimney, lapping a minimum of 3 inches over the transition flashing. Install tiles up the chimney sidewall. For openings more than 30 inches in width, install cricket flashing. Extend upper end of the cricket flashing 6 inches beyond the first course of tile. The vertical leg of the cricket flashing should extend 3 inches minimum above the apex. Complete the tile installation. To prevent water intrusion, verify flashing and counter flashing is properly installed, coordinating any wall base flashing with counter flashing in veneer claddings or saw-cut reglets and counter flashing in solid masonry or concrete chimneys. As an alternative to pan sidewall flashing, stepped flashing may be installed, placing malleable step flashing beneath each tile up the penetrating sidewall. For openings less than 30 inches, a backer or saddle flashing may be used. Flashing should extend 14 inches minimum up the slope of the roof. Flashing may be painted for a desired appearance in accordance with flashing manufacturer's guidance. For more videos and information, visit us online at bravarooftile.com.